This is my Alpaca Elements backpack, and this is my sling. There are many like it, but these are my own, and I'm going to show you a Paracord Sling backpack mod that is so cool, it's never been done before. At least I don't think so. We're going to transform these two separate elements into a backpack and chest rig combo with some simple paracord and fancy buckles. Now, you let me know if you've ever had this problem, but for you fellow many baggers, there are times where you can get by just fine with an EDC sling or fanny pack. But there are also times where you'll also want to carry a backpack along with it, which kind of leads to this sort of weird setup where you have to put your sling bag on first and then the backpack. But then you might not be able to take it off or put it back on without removing the backpack. But what if I told you I figured out a new, fun, and cool way to do so? So what we're going to need are some buckles and some paracord. Paracord used in this video is from paracordweavers.com. Now I am using some fancy fidlock buckles that we don't have on the site, and these have magnets which are super cool, and I'll link a source for them, but you don't have to go this route. You can use basic side release buckles as well. Now I'm doing a double lark's head knot setup to anchor our cord to the first side of the buckle because it'll keep the cord from sliding around within the slot. Now here's the first kicker. This is going to work with this particular sling from Alpaca because it has a detachable strap. So if you're not using the exact same sling bag, you'll still be able to do it as long as whatever pouch you have has anchor points. The Alpaca Elements Tech Case line has this feature with all three sizes, and they're all set up this way. Not sponsored by the way, but I am an affiliate. So to attach the buckle to the sling, all we have to do is go to the Solomon knot well and use a couple of these to form the paracord attachment point. And I'm only tying 2 knots because I want to keep this as short as possible, as I don't want the chest rig hanging too low on my, well, chest. That being said, we can also adjust the height as I'll show in a bit. I like sling bags because they keep all my daily essentials in one place, mainly my phone, wallet, hand sanitizer, chapstick, flashlight, pen, and sometimes knife. And ever since going empty pockets, it's kind of hard for me to go back. It's just more comfortable for me. And with this method, everything will be kept at a convenient and easily accessible location. How do you like to carry your gear? And I don't know if you've ever thought about this, but isn't paracord just so useful and versatile? I mean, well, let me finish up and you'll really see. So anyhow, both sides now have one side of the buckle attached, and I'm having the pull tab side of the buckle on the detachable pouch side. So this backpack came with a magnetic sternum strap, which is cool, but I don't need it, so we're just going to remove them. And here is the second kicker. The straps on this particular backpack have these sort of lashing points that will really help keep the chest rig in place. You can definitely still do it without these lash points, but I think they do help in keeping the chest rig where it's supposed to be. Now, as for the backpack strap side, we're going to cow hitch our next piece of cord onto the pack strap, and then repeat the same double lark's head knot to attach the other side of the buckle, followed by the same couple of cobra knots. Now, doing this in such a way has a hidden feature. It means that these attachment points on the pack straps aren't permanent. Even though I'm fitting the cord tightly, the straps can be folded and compressed so that the hitch knot can be undone and removed or put back when you need or don't need it. Not too shabby, right? So if you're not doing the chest rig setup, you don't have to have these attachment points on anymore. So I did make a bit of a bold claim about this never having been done before or seen before. And let me clarify. I'm well aware that chest rig and backpack combos exist, or plate carrier chest rigs as well. However, I'm simply referring to the mod of DIYing it yourself that I have yet to see, where you combine a separate backpack and sling bag to make your own. And as you'll see in a bit, it does work quite well. It would work even better if we had 4 points of attachment, but I'm working with what I got here, and there are only 2. And of course, I do believe it does show how paracord can be used to come up with creative and useful ways to mod your existing gear. And ow, be careful when you're melting the paracord. Didn't realize the flame was pointed right at myself. The connectors on the pack straps can be removed because it's a simple cow hitch knot, and they can be relocated to where they are necessary. But that all being said though, what started as just a backpack and sling is now a modular carry system, and all we needed were some buckles and some paracord. And our problem is solved. I can take my bag off and put it back on, and have the functionality of a sling bag on my chest for all my EDC goodies at the same time. To take the bag off, I can just undo one side, and then I can take everything off. And I can very easily put it back on. And if I don't want to use this setup, I can remove it. Now, how cool is that? Also, important test, even when Harlem shaking my body, it doesn't fall off. Did anybody get that reference? So if you like paracord mods and gear hacks like this, hit the like button and subscribe.